Stop right there, because what I'm about to share with ye might just be the biggest headline in human history. A few hours ago, NASA called a press conference, and what they revealed, honestly, it could change everything we thought we knew about life in the universe. So, what's the bombshell? For the very first time ever, NASA says they found evidence of life beyond Earth. Not science fiction, not theory, actual proof. Now, let me walk ye through how this jaw-dropping discovery unfolded. Cold, dusty, red. A place we've always imagined as lifeless. NASA's Perseverance rover, basically a roll-in laboratory, has been crawling across its surface, scooping up samples, drilling into rocks and sending back data. Most days, pretty standard, but then something odd caught their attention. A strange rock. At first glance, it looked ordinary, but on closer inspection, weird patterns, almost like spots or markings, covered its surface. It didn't look natural. It didn't look random. And NASA thought, what if? So they drilled into it. They tested it. And what they found left even hardened scientists stunned. Inside that rock were 3 very special compounds: gregite, vivianite, and organic carbon. Now here's why this matters. Whenever we've found fossils here on Earth, whether it's ancient animals, plants, or microorganisms, guess what's always present? Those exact same compounds. They're like a chemical fingerprint of life. Think about that. On Mars, buried deep inside a rock, NASA found the same signature we associate with life on Earth. Sure, the samples are tiny, microscopic. They're also incredibly old, dating back billions of years, even before the age of dinosaurs. But the evidence? It's powerful. So powerful that when NASA shared the data with scientists worldwide, the verdict was unanimous. This is ancient life. There's no other explanation. And before ye ask, could it just be a meteorite? Some random carbon reaction? Nope, NASA ruled that out. This isn't contamination. This isn't geology playing tricks. It's organic carbon. A clear sign of life once existing on Mars. Here's where it gets even crazier. These samples come from Jezero Crater, a site scientists believe was once a giant lake. Billions of years ago, Mars had water, massive lakes and rivers. And where there's water, there's always the possibility of life. Which means what NASA found may only be the beginning. So now, the question is, what happens next? Well, until now, space agencies were racing to the moon. But this discovery, it's about to ignite a new race to Mars. The US, India, Russia, China, they're all eyeing the red planet. And don't be surprised if we see collaborations too, because suddenly Mars isn't just a desert world. It's a planet with a story that once included life. And here's the most mind-blowing takeaway. We may not be alone, not just in the universe, but even within our own solar system. If Mars had life once, who's to say other planets don't? Maybe Europa, maybe Enceladus, maybe worlds we haven't even studied yet. This isn't just science. This is a revolution waiting to happen. So buckle up, because humanity just stepped into a brand new chapter of its cosmic journey.